The first COVID-19 vaccinations for kids under 5 started this morning in Douglas County.
3 News Now reporter Aaron Haggerty shares the major milestone in this ongoing fight against coronavirus.
All done. It's all done. Let's go get a marshmallow. You want a marshmallow? You're gonna eat it.
A bribe of marshmallows was the final step for Eloise Manderfeld to become one of the first 2-year-olds to get a COVID shot. The first step came last week when the CDC and FDA approved it for children over 6 months.
I feel like I've been waiting for 2 years for this, and obviously had her during the beginning of the pandemic, so stuff was a little crazy then.
A Douglas County Health Department employee, Mom is confident this is the right choice after approval.
They put a pause just to make sure everything was still good. That gave me extra confidence in that the FDA is knowing what they're doing and checking into this.
Health officials say children are at a lower risk of serious illness from COVID-19, but the effects are unpredictable. They say these vaccines, which have child-sized doses and were subject to clinical trials, are safe and effective.
There we go. There we go. Are you okay?
Another one is Michael Rogel Cronchnoble, who just turned 2.
I did my best with trying to get vaccinated as soon as I could, being breastfeeding him and trying to pass on whatever antibodies I could. And so now that we get this chance, it's just absolutely thrilling for me.
Polling from April shows 18% of parents were eager to get their child under 5 vaccinated. 38% said they'd wait and see. Another 38% said definitely not or only if required.
It was more of protecting our family when it came down to that piece. But even still, when we don't know the effects of long COVID on kids, I'm going to say prevention is key. So we've seen that these vaccines, they've been studied for a long time. But obviously, we don't want to force anyone to do something that they're not comfortable with. But if they have questions, they can definitely ask their pediatrician or their primary care provider.
Aaron Haggerty, 3 News Now.
And if you want to get a COVID-19 vaccine for your child, here are some clinics coming up. On Friday, there will be one at the health department from 9 to 4. On Saturday, there's a clinic at Girls Inc. from noon to 3, and one at the Kroc Center from 10 to 2.